In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a video with Copilot Visual Creator and Clipchamp. We'll start by opening the Copilot app either on the web or inside Microsoft 365 or Teams. Look for the Visual Creator, sometimes labeled Create a Video. You'll usually find it in a Create hub or under an Apps menu. If menus look a little different in your setup, try the search bar and type Visual Creator. Make sure you're in the right account for your organization if you're using the work version. Next, enter your prompt. Describe your video clearly and specifically, like create a short explainer video about the benefits of work-life balance. Afayet, emphasizing productivity. The clearer you are, the better the results. If you already have a PowerPoint, upload it to use as a basis. Keep slides concise with key points and images. Copilot will pull structure and visuals from it. You can also hint at tone or audience, such as friendly and professional for new employees, to guide the style. Now generate the video, submit your prompt, and give Copilot a few minutes. Behind the scenes, it writes a script, chooses stock footage, adds an AI voiceover, and assembles a draft with music. If the first pass isn't quite right, refine your prompt and regenerate. Small tweaks can make a big difference. Open the generated draft in Clipchamp for detailed editing. This is where you can polish everything on a timeline. Save versions as you go, so you can compare edits or roll back if needed. Refine the script and voice by editing the on-screen text and narration. You can switch the AI voice's language, gender, or tone to better fit your audience. Watch for pacing. Make sure the narration lines up with visuals and that key phrases have enough screen time to read comfortably. Swap media as needed. Replace any AI-selected clips or images with your own footage or different stock assets. Aim for visual consistency and use high-resolution files. Keep brand guidelines in mind and verify that any assets you add are cleared for use. Adjust music and text elements. Set music volume low enough that the narration is always clear, and choose a track that matches the mood. Update titles and lower thirds for accuracy and readability using accessible fonts and sufficient contrast. When you're satisfied, export and share. Choose MP4, pick the quality you need, 1080p is a good default, and export. Save the file to OneDrive or your computer, then share the link or upload it where your audience will watch.